This one, because our switch have a button, so we don't need to turn off. This
okay.
For
So
it,
just
we
on.
don't have. You just leave it on, and you use the plug switch to turn on. Then we check about the bank. This bank have a safety plug. It's when you don't use the external thermocouple.
Okay.
You use this one. And
Just
the insert. Got a hole here and a curve here. Insert. Now your thermocouple is based on the internal because it's attached with the surface of the hot plate. And if you would like to monitor your solution, you use this one.
thermocouple.
Thermocouple. But at this moment, you must insert this one inside the solution.
Okay.
Must inside. Otherwise, he will always detect as room temperature. He will overheat and burn up. So when you use this one, be careful. Must soak in solution.
Oh, so you cannot control from here if you put this.
No, can control, but the temperature detect is based on the tip here.
Oh, okay.
So you must
Put inside the
this
solution.
one into your target sample. Otherwise, if you put outside, his target is room temperature.
Oh,
so he will always detect as not reach to sampling value because he detected room temperature. But here already, because he detected not reach, so he will continue heating up.
Oh,
Make
okay.
the system trouble.
So that one, if you don't use that,
If you
so
don't use, you just insert this one.
some will be normal operation.
But this one, he will attach based on the surface. It's not your solution. So you decide which one to use. But if your accurate is not really high, commonly this one is much convenient to be used. So you don't need to be thinking about the contaminate of corrosive materials to the stainless steel, or thinking about like a metallic element diffusion or something.
Oh, okay.
This one can. And when you apply, you pay attention to your label cable. Don't put it attached to your hot plate. Up to the black color is high temperature, so this one must be not attached on the surface. And when heat up, all this is in high temperature. So this one you can use as a magnetic zero only, but you cannot use as a hot plate only. Because when hot plate was generate high temperature, if the motor is not working, maybe a fact for the life, like lost magnetic or motor overheated.
I don't really understand.
It means you can use this one as either stereo or hot plate and stereo, but you cannot use hot plate only, especially when your temperature is high. Means you cannot heat without stereo.
Oh, but I use this stereo.
So in that case, you don't have to put your bar inside, but you can turn on the stereo.
Oh yeah, I will not use the.
Yeah, you let the stereo moving, but he's not function as your stereo. That is okay. You can still use the hot plate. Let me demo how you use. So when everything is ready, you turn on the switch here. So he will auto check. After past auto check, he will show the home page. At this moment, this is a heat. This is the stereo. So you click the heat, we display the heat. Then you click set key. You can click set key, Click set key. It's allowed you to set the temperature. And you use left and right to select the position. Up, down to check the value. And other value you choose. Maximum is 290. In fact, maximum can use 320. But I recommend you not that high. 290 be better. Then after you finish setting, you click set key again. You can confirm your setting. At this moment, your set is already started. And then you can turn on your rotator. And you can see here is displayed rotating. So you click set key again. He will go to temperature set again. You click set. You can go the stereo setting. Use same way. Left to right. You can go 300. Confirm the setting. It start.
So the lowest steering is 100.
This one maximum.
The lower.
The lower is 100.
So if I want to change the steering is
100. If you want to change the stereo, yeah, you can do it this one. You can also use left to right to select the position. Okay.
let's say I just want 100.
And decrease to 100. Okay.
Okay, just click here, right?
Confirm. Yeah, he will decrease to 100. Slow, right?
Oh, okay. So the highest one is
The highest one is 2000 RPM.
oh,
I think you can maximum use to 1,500, but not that high without continuous tuning.
oh, okay. So
You can send to 600, 900, 800. See. And if you use the speaker, use this.
oh, the one also steering.
Use this tab. And start first. Okay, start. Okay, start. And if you are using big open vessel, you can use this one to increase your heating efficiency and stereo efficiency.
Oh, okay.
But if you're only narrow, you can only use this one. You can use a vertical to insert. And also have this one. If you use a round bottom, you use this oval for your round bottom flash or whatever. And this one is
To get the steering.
yeah, the stereo. Just now you are asking because you see you will not use magnetic stereo when viscosity going high. So after you finish your first step, you can stop that, and you can. I think this one too heavy. You cannot go in.
Yeah, that's too heavy, right? I think that's what this.
Maybe you can try because we don't have a container, so it come very. This one anyway can set your stereo bar outside. At this moment, you will go high temperature, and you can still let this one on.
Oh,
You can let it on. Means the motor is working, but you don't function. This is only to protect the hot plate, because if you don't
rotate it,
it is not homogeneous heating. It will be lost to magnetic or something happen. So we just let the stereo to run, then you can continue your motor stereo.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So when temperature come too high, you will not touch. And the temperature when it's heat, he has a indicator here, sparkle.
Oh, okay.
Bling. So it's under heating. So when temperature rise to the heating temperature, this one will disappear. So this is all about the hot plate. It's very simple.
Oh, okay.